In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a crossline in Tradingview with this quick and easy guide. Tradingview is a robust platform for charting and trading that allows users to observe market movements and trends closely. One of the essential tools you might often use is the crossline, which helps in analyzing points on your chart more precisely. Let's get started. First, head over to your Tradingview chart. If you're not already on your chart, simply log in and navigate to the chart section. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be interacting with your data to create your crossline. With your chart open, focus on the upper left side of your screen. This area houses various tools that you will use to modify your charts. Now, find and click on the Trendline tools. This menu contains all sorts of drawing options, from lines and rays to channels and, of course, our crossline. Click on the Crossline option from this menu. This selection is what allows you to draw a crossline directly onto your chart. Once you've selected the crossline tool, go back to your chart. You'll need to decide exactly where you want your crossline to appear. Simply click a point on your chart where you want the crossline to be created. It should now easily span across your chart at the chosen location, assisting in identifying intersections and significant points according to your analysis. The crossline is now created, and you can observe how it effectively aids in your market analysis. It follows your chart's contours to give precise intersections at various data points. This can be particularly helpful for analysing price action and verifying confluence in your strategy. Now, let's delve into customization to make sure it fits your preferences and analytical style. Right-click on the crossline and select Templates. Here, you can adjust various settings such as colour and style to align with your chart's theme and your personal taste. Customizing the lines as appearance can help in differentiating it from other tools you might be simultaneously using. For added functionality, you might decide to lock the crossline in place by clicking on the lock option. This ensures it stays where you need it as you scroll and zoom around your chart. Alternatively, if you no longer need the crossline, you can remove it with the remove option. Finally, let's discuss the benefits of using a crossline. This tool is invaluable for pinpointing exact data intersections, which can verify trends or highlight potential reversals. It's an essential part of a trader's toolkit, helping visualize critical data points with clarity. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating and customizing a crossline in Tradingview. Explore these features and make the most out of your trading experience. Happy trading!